Welcome to Victoria, BC's Inner Harbour at sunset, where ocean breeze meets a cultural heartbeat. From the moment you set foot here, it's not just a walk, it's like a living postcard. I'm saying that, and I was even born and raised here. This is Ship Point, seasonal stage for live music, food trucks, artisan markets. You grab a seat, catch a show, breathe it all in. This is where Victoria comes to play. Seems poignant to also acknowledge with respect and gratitude that we walk on the traditional and unceded territories of the Algonquin people today, known as the Songhees and Esquimalt nations, whose relationship with this land continues to this day. And I apologize if I mispronounce some of those words. If you look towards the water here, you'll see our world famous Victoria Harbour Ferries. Quick confession, I didn't actually know they were world famous until I looked up info for this voiceover. These cheerful pickle boats dance across the Inner Harbour, offering tours, taxis, and even synchronized ballet. Also, you can do a pickle pub crawl, where the ferries will take you around to various pubs along the waterfront. It is good times. As the sun dips lower and lower, the harbour will come alive with music, magic, and street performance. From saxophone to fire jugglers, this is a stage without walls. Now, full disclosure, this video was shot just before the harbour kicks into high gear. In just a few weeks, though, it's wall-to-wall cruise ships, tourists, and locals turning this place into a waterfront festival almost nightly. Now in the far distance we can see the Parliament buildings, but closer to the left, well, it depends which way you turn the camera, you'll be walking in the shadow of the Empress Hotel. A castle-like hotel that's hosted royalty, rock stars, and anyone craving high tea with a view. Also, there's rumors of it being haunted.
Remember when we came here for the Bustling show? We were just like standing there with like 1,000 people. Like an hour. No, we were on that corner.
Look up and around and you'll see history etched into brick and stone. These waterfront landmarks all over the place carry generations of stories and transformation. Reminders of how this place has always been a point of gathering, trade, and connection. we start getting the Parliament buildings in more and more view. Soon it's going to be lit up like a crown jewel by night, standing tall since 1897. And to your right, the marina normally buzzes with yachts, sailboats, and sea adventure tours ready to launch. And for some reason, we just hit it on a night where it's eerily calm. Quite beautiful, and we have a way better view of the sunset this way. Victoria's Inner Harbour isn't just a destination, it's a flow of culture and nature and creativity all at your feet. Wherever you look, something's waiting to surprise you. Maybe it's time you come visit. If you already live here, maybe it's time to go to the waterfront. Jake says go.